Tila hindi naman babalik. Labis ng yakap at halik. Maaring tama ka, lumalamig ang pagsita. Sana'y malaman mong di ko sinasadya. Bilang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Hello? Hi guys! Welcome to my concert. Bilang ikaw ang napawala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan. Ngunit puso ko nanakinig. Kailangan kang iwan. Ihahayaan habang buhay kang saktan. Isasayangin ang iyong panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa yakap at sa piling ng iba. Bilang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko'y ay naguguluhan. Bilang ikaw ang napawala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Yes. Hi guys. Ulit. Wait tayo, wait. Araw na. Wait, taraw. Hala! Ano yan? Female version. Meron ka dyan sa dress mo. Ang aesthetic naman. Diba? Sabi ko naman sa iyo. Hindi. Okay. Okay. Pasok. No one up you've done to me, but because you act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time. It's hard to let go on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do. 'Cause it is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Something takes over me in the days you look so amazing. It's not a thing, so I want you to stay with me. But beside as well, your love is so sweet. It knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Time after time after time, I try to fight it. Hey, your love is strong and it keeps on holding on. Ano ba yan? System is down when you're around. My conviction, I don't want to be alone. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time. thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when it doesn't hurt as you. I get big into this. I can hardly speak. I lose all control and something takes over me in the face of it so amazing. This not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow up all night. Your love is so sweet, knocks me right off of my feet. I can't explain how you love it makes me wake. Okay na tayo. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Okay. Okay dyan guys. Hello. Ay! Hindi ba ng filterings? Ay, wala. Wait na ulit ako. Ulit.